What's up?
Hookups.
I follow my ex, so.
No, that's a big red flag. I would say yes, because even I speak to my ex.
Exes are irrelevant. I think I'm too old school for that. I don't talk to strangers, yeah, that's my problem. I will be the bad bitch with him.
I just look at them and I hope that they look at me.
I think everything is running in run clubs right now.
I think hookups. Definitely hookups, but if you find someone, just keep the person because you're not gonna find anyone nice.
Would you still date someone who follows their ex on Instagram?
I follow my ex, so.
I don't mind, honestly, I don't mind.
It really doesn't matter on Instagram, I guess.
I'm very chill about that, so I wouldn't mind.
I don't mind, but I would not want my boyfriend to do that.
No, I will not. Absolutely not.
No.
A big fat no.
No. As long as we are all friends and partying together is always okay.
No.
No way.
No.
I mean, we are living in 20th century, so I think we should just get past that and be friends. It's okay.
Yeah.
We're not from 18th century or something.
Yeah, why not? I mean, their exes, as long as they don't sleep with their ex again.
I think each to their own. Whatever makes them happy.
No.
No.
I would say yes, because even I speak to my ex.
It's a free world, man. Come on. No. No brainer, but sometimes 3 a.m. life hits different.
No fucking way. No, that's a big red flag.
I wouldn't mind, honestly.
No. Red flag.
Yeah, I would. I don't see an issue with that. Because following someone, you follow random people also on Instagram. So if you follow someone who you happen to date at one time, I don't think there's too much wrong with that. If they're interacting with them, that's a different story though.
Maybe.
No.
Not really, no.
I don't care about that. They can follow whoever they want. I will follow all my exes or anyone I want. They can follow also.
Not in Bangalore.
Oh, no way.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
I mean, if they still love me and if they're friends, I don't mind.
Doesn't really matter to me. I think exes are irrelevant.
What's your go-to move when you're into someone at a party?
What's up?
I don't ask first. I don't think I'll make the first move, but yeah.
You try to be yourself. End of the day, go and try to help them if they need something. And also, try to make a natural conversation. Don't try to fake it up especially with your accent.
I think I'm very opposite to that. So if I genuinely like someone or someone catches my eye, I think I run in the opposite directions.
I have never been into anyone at a party. I think I'm too old school for that.
Probably approach them and compliment them.
I probably write my number and a yes or no on a tissue paper and send a drink to them. And if they'll say yes, take them out the next time.
I don't talk to strangers, yeah, that's my problem.
I would like to keep it to myself, I guess.
Ask for the Insta, maybe?
I usually flutter my eyes a bit, eyelashes a bit. I look down a little bit and blush a little.
Now we know when you're fluttering your eyes.
Probably spill a drink and then make that into a conversation, I believe.
For me, it should be like that person should be loyal to, eye contact should be loyal only to me, not to anyone else.
Phone number.
I don't have any move. They normally come to me.
Just have a drink together.
I do not take the first move, no.
I would go ask for a lighter or a cigarette maybe.
If I see someone that I like, I'm going to go talk to them, bro. That's it, yeah, of course.
I don't have a go-to move, trust me.
Just go and start dancing with them, I guess.
Okay.
I agree. I think I'd dance with them.
Compliment on something and tell about myself and see if they're interested.
Have eye contact and then if they come up and talk to me, then great.
Nothing, I will ignore him. I will be the meanest girl whenever I'm into someone.
Being the bad bitch, yeah?
I will be the bad bitch with him.
I just look at them and I hope that they look at me.
But maybe I'll look at them and then look away and then they'll just come.
So is it easier to find love or hookups out here in Bengaluru?
It's so much easier to find hookups, honestly, but finding love is difficult everywhere. It's not just in Bangalore, but much more difficult in Bangalore. Hookups.
If you really want to find love, I'm sure you'll find love.
It's difficult to find love here. Hookups you can get everywhere in any corner. You turn left, right, you see them everywhere.
Oh my god, hookups. Love, the concept is only dying.
It's hard to find love in Bangalore.
For me, it's only hookups.
It depends on what you're looking at.
Easy to find hookups, but love is something very difficult to find.
Hookups for sure.
Love is very rare to find anywhere in the world. Hookups are everywhere, so I would kind of say hookups are very easy in Bangalore.
Hookups are easier to find also because people don't want to find love, I would say.
I don't think so there's love anymore. There's like a lot of hookups and casual thing going on, especially in Gen Z crowd, so I don't think so there's love. No love, all dhokha.
Dating culture is fucked up here. No love.
Honestly, I think hookups.
I think everything is running in run clubs right now.
Obviously, it's Bangalore. It's easier to find hookups here, man.
I think hookups.
It is easier to find hookups. I have not found love yet.
Hookup is actually so easy in Bangalore, but love no.
Hookup.
I think it's easy to find hookups.
Hookups are much easier than finding love.
Definitely hookups, but if you find someone, just keep the person because you're not going to find anyone nice.
The gala is finally here for the very first time in India. What do you think about the energy, the vibe that's giving out here?
It's lovely.
I think it's going great.
The vibe is great.
I love it.
It's one of a kind.
Love how people are not dressed in their casual wear and everyone is so over the top and dressed. That's something I'm loving it here. Some people are really, really well dressed because I saw someone with like a huge ass hat and he looked fucking fab.
Loving it. Everyone has come really dressed up.
Love the vibe.
It's going good. Looks beautiful.
When I heard of the gala theme, I was like, I have my outfit ready. Really elegant, I think that would be the word. And the outfits, oh my god, like it feels like the real Met Gala, how people have dressed up. Such a vibe.
Really loving the vibe because Bangalore has never seen this before.
Never expected Bangalore to pull up like this. Everybody's in their dopest fits.
I'm loving the energy here and everyone's so well dressed. It's like eye candy.
I think it's amazing. Like the concept of incorporating fashion with party, I think it's new.
Happy to see such gorgeous ladies and handsome men all dressed up.
I can wear whatever I want and everybody's looking amazing, so do you.
It's so fresh and it's so very new for Bangalore.
It's elite as fuck.
The vibe is amazing. It's Ritz-Carlton, you know.
It's going great.
It's been a very long time since I've had a really nice party in Bangalore.
I think what Pandora is doing is really cool. Bringing this in as a concept has been super dope, man. I really appreciate it.
I think the decor is pretty cool. The music's great.
It's really glitz and glam.
I really like the way people have put in so much effort into the outfits. It's really fun to see something like this for the first time in Bangalore.
Nothing more better than this.
Perfect. I love it.